Copy this link, paste it here, and make 34 cents per click. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make 34 cents per click. And even though 34 cents doesn't sound like a lot, but if you send just 50 clicks, that is $17. I don't need calculator to calculate that. So here I will just say $17. And if you send, let's say 100 clicks every day, that is $34 per day. And there is 30 days in every month. So you just say here, 30 times 34 equals, and let me pull my calculator. So 30 times 34 equals, that is $1,020 per month. Now that is a good money. So I will just add here $1,020. And this method will work for you on autopilot. But you need to watch this video till the end because there is a really important message on the end of this video. So please watch this video till the end. So first thing you need to do, you need to go on a website called CPA Grip. Yes, this is a CPA affiliate marketing network. And you need to register. So click here on register. And you will need to register to sign up. You need to add your first name, your last name. You don't have to give them company. You don't have to give them your website. You need to give them your street address. You need to give them your country, your city, postal code, phone number, Skype name, and you need to give them publisher type. I used other and I was immediately approved, so you can choose any of these. You need to add your email, password, confirm your password, time zone, and then confirm you agree with the terms of condition, register, and that's it. You will be registered on CPA Grip. And after you register, you will come to your dashboard, and this will be your dashboard. And here you can see there is people who are making serious money on CPA Grip. Look at this guy here, $11,413. And he actually made 2,418 leads. This is serious money. $86, 1,600 views, 930 clicks, 53 leads. $1,906, $65,000, 10,700 leads. $28. So these people are making serious money on CPA Grip. So what you need to do, you need to click here on the left side on offer tools and then click here on my offers. And here you need to choose country. I would suggest to use one of those top countries like United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. Just click here on United States and you will get offers, CPA offers for United States. But for this example, I actually wish to promote offer from Canada. So I will just type here Canada and then click here on Canada. And here I can see offers, CPA offers available in Canada. And I'm actually looking for email and zip submit because those are easy to promote because you don't have to sell anything. You will give something for free. And that means it's much easier to promote. And let's say I wish to promote this offer here. Get the new PS5, new Sony PlayStation 5. And the reason why I wish to promote this offer is, here you can see I can earn $2.05 per lead. And here you can see 85% network performance, 21% is conversion rate, and I can earn 34 cents per click. So what these data mean? These data mean that these guys actually have a good sales page. And if you promote product with a good sales page, that means you will have a good conversion rate. That means you will convert more people that you send to their sales page into buyers, or in this case, convert them to submit their email. And that means you will make more money and your job will be easier. And that is why you wish to promote top products, top CPA offers in this case. And like I said, 85%, 25% is conversion rate. So unfortunately, I cannot visit their sales page because I don't live in Canada. And this is how their sales page look. You can see it here. And it looks pretty good. So next thing I need to do, I need to copy my affiliate link. Just click here on copy link. And I need to shorten this link because I wish to track performance of that link of my campaigns. And for that, I can use Bitly. So I'm here on Bitly. What I need to do, I need to click here on create. And I need to paste here my CPA Grip affiliate link. And then click here on create. And I need to add titles, so let's say new PS5, and I need to customize this so I can track this, so I know what campaign this shorten link is. So I can say something like this. So I can just copy this, Control C, and I can paste it here to customize it a bit. Okay, to see if it is available. It is available. Click here on save. Link has been edited, and this is my shorten bit.ly link that I need to use. Now when you shorten your affiliate link, now you need to go on this forum, Gaming Green Gaming Forums, and you need to register. Registration is free and simple. And after that you need to click here on user control panel, and then you need to click here on edit your details, and you need to scroll here where it says homepage URL. Go back on bit.ly, copy the link, shorten link, go back here and paste that link here, and then scroll here on the bottom and click here on save changes. And then you need to go back on the forum and you need to start engaging, you need to start making posts, and you need to start engaging in discussions. And the more posts you make, the more people will see your link in the signature, and more people will click on that link, and more people will sign up on your CPA grip affiliate offer. You're probably thinking right now, well, you said 34 cents every 60 seconds. How can I make that money with this method? Well, you can, but you will have to work for it. You need to join to as many as you can forums in your niche, in this case in gaming niche. And you need to make at least 10 posts every day in each of those forums. I know that is a lots of time, lots of work, but trust me, it works. You will start getting targeted free traffic. You will start getting clicks on the link in your signature. You will start sending people to your affiliate offer, and those people will start submitting their emails, and you will start making money. But like I said, you need to invest time and work, usually 2-3 hours per day. But this method works. You will start making money. Trust me. So this is how you make money for free with CPA marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.